Did you know that fragrances we use every day, whether in perfumes, cleaning products, or even air fresheners, could be hiding dangers that impact our health? Welcome to this presentation on fragrance dangers, the hidden impact of synthetic fragrances on your liver. In this session, we'll uncover the science behind the synthetic fragrances, their effect on our bodies, and why understanding what we expose ourselves to is more important than ever. Let's explore how we can make informed choices for a healthier, more sustainable lifestyle. Let's take a look at what we'll be covering in this presentation. We'll start by exploring the fragrance dilemma and why so many are turning to natural options. From there, we'll discuss healthier, safer lifestyle choices and why these changes are so important. Next, we'll hear from experts in the field to examine how to reduce your toxic load and understand how to protect your liver and overall health. Finally, we'll explore how to make informed decisions when choosing quality products and where to learn more. This is your guide to embracing natural fragrances and creating a safer, healthier environment for yourself and your loved ones. Let's dive in. Synthetic perfumes dominate the market, offering affordability and variety, but at what hidden cost? Many people are unaware of the risks these fragrances pose to our health, particularly to our liver and hormonal balance. In this presentation, we'll uncover the unseen dangers of synthetic chemicals and how they impact our bodies. Most importantly, we'll explore the empowering benefits of choosing natural alternatives. Let's dive into the fragrance dilemma and learn how to make healthier, safer choices for ourselves and our environment. Why choose natural? Because it's not just about fragrance, it's about creating a safer, healthier, and more sustainable world. Natural products are safe, certified, ethical, and pure. By choosing natural, you're making a commitment to your well-being and to the environment. Certified natural perfumes offer transparency and quality, ensuring that what you use is free from harmful synthetics. Embrace sustainability and purity. Transform your health and the way you experience fragrance. Making healthier scent choices starts with awareness. First, understand your ingredients. Know the difference between synthetic and natural components and recognize the impact that they can have on your health. Second, choose certified brands. Look for perfumers who are transparent, ethical, and trusted in their field. Certification ensures quality and safety. Third, know your body. Pay attention to how fragrances affect your well-being. Everyone's body responds differently, and awareness is key to making better decisions. Finally, embrace naturals. Opt for botanical and essential oil-based scents. These offer an authentic and safer aromatic experience free from harmful chemicals. By making these thoughtful changes, you can enjoy beautiful fragrances while supporting your health and the planet. This is why making informed fragrance choices matters. First, protect your health. Synthetic chemicals found in perfumes can disrupt hormones and overburden your liver, potentially leading to long-term wellness issues. Second, reduce toxic exposure. By switching to natural perfumes, you minimize your contact with harmful petrochemicals that can linger in your environment. And lastly, promote sustainability. Natural perfumes support eco-friendly practices and reduce environmental harm, ensuring a safer, greener future for all. These small changes can have a powerful impact on your health, your home, and the planet. Dr. Susan Sumner, a renowned food scientist at Virginia Tech, highlights that fragrances in the products we use every day contain compounds that can cause both short and long-term health effects. Dr. Josh Axe, a functional medical doctor, notes that synthetic fragrances have been linked to respiratory problems including allergies, asthma, and other chronic respiratory diseases due to the chemicals present in them. And fragrance expert Crystal Losey emphasizes the benefits of naturals, stating that natural perfumes offer a healthier and more environmentally friendly alternative to traditional synthetic fragrances, while also providing a unique olfactory experience that can have positive effects on our health. These insights underscore why understanding your fragrance choices is so essential. Our daily choices shape the health of our homes and our bodies. Here's how you can create a safer, cleaner living environment. Minimize petrochemical presence. Petrochemicals in synthetic perfumes and cleaners are linked to hormone disruption and liver toxicity. Switching to natural alternatives can significantly benefit your health. Choose fresh air over air fresheners. Many synthetic air fresheners release volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, which harm both respiratory health and the environment. Opt for natural ventilation or essential oil diffusers for a healthier aromatic experience. Natural cleaning agents. Replace conventional cleaning products with simple natural options like baking soda, vinegar, or Castile soap. These are effective, safe, and better for you and the planet. Botanical-based perfumes. Natural perfumes are free of synthetic petrochemical compounds and heavy metals, offering a safer, more sustainable way to enjoy fragrance while caring for your skin and overall health. Every small change contributes to a cleaner, healthier lifestyle for you and your loved ones. Our liver is a vital organ responsible for detoxifying the body, but synthetic chemicals in perfumes and household products can overwhelm its capacity. Compounds such as phthalates and petrochemicals, commonly found in synthetic fragrance, act as hormone disruptors, as we've said before, and may contribute to liver toxicity over time. By switching to botanical-based perfumes and using natural cleaning products, you can significantly reduce the toxic load on your liver and improve your overall health. Prioritizing natural and organic choices supports your body's natural detox processes and helps it function at its best. Every conscious decision you make to minimize exposure to harmful chemicals is a step forward to a healthier, cleaner lifestyle. Just like the food we eat, the quality of the ingredients in our perfumes and cleaning products has a profound impact on our overall well-being. Natural botanical perfumes and cleaners are crafted with pure, non-toxic ingredients that harmonize with your body, offering a healthier alternative to synthetic products that often contain harmful petrochemicals and hormone disruptors. By choosing high-quality, natural alternatives, you're not just prioritizing your health, you're also embracing a touch of luxury that nurtures your body and your senses. It's a small step towards a more balanced and conscious lifestyle. Protecting your liver and overall health starts with conscious choices in the products that you use daily. First, choose natural products. By avoiding synthetic perfumes and opting for botanical-based alternatives, you can reduce liver stress and minimize hormone disruption. Next, ventilate your space. Proper ventilation when using products with strong scents helps limit exposure to volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, which can harm your health over time. Avoid the overuse of fragrance products. Reducing the number of heavily scented personal and home care products minimizes toxic buildup in your system. And lastly, stay informed. Research product ingredients and support brands that are committed to transparency and safety. Making these informed choices will empower you to live a healthier and more balanced life. If you would like to dive deeper into the fascinating world of natural perfumery or have any questions about what we've shared today, we would love to hear from you. Reach out to us at info@npacertification.com or call us at +353 083 819 0661. Visit our website at npacertification.com for more resources, courses and information. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram. Our handle is Academy of Perfuming Arts, and that will just help you to stay updated and inspired. Your journey to a healthier, more natural lifestyle begins here. We're here to support and guide you every step of the way.